Hey there, curious minds! Ever wondered what happens to your recycling after you toss it in the bin? Today, I'm going to take you on a fascinating journey of how your trash is turned into treasure. First off, let's talk about sorting. When your recycling is collected, it all goes to a materials recovery facility, or MRF for short. Here the magic begins. Machines and workers sort through the mixed materials and separate them into categories like paper, plastic, and metal. It's like a giant game of sorting, only this time it's for the planet. Now let's dive into paper. Once sorted, paper is shredded into tiny pieces and mixed with water to create a slushy pulp. This pulp is then cleaned to remove any ink or contaminants. Think of it as giving the paper a spa day. After it's all clean, the pulp is spread out and dried, forming new sheets of paper ready to be turned into notebooks, newspapers, or even toilet paper. Next up, plastic. Plastics are a bit trickier because there are many different types. They're sorted by type and color, then cleaned and shredded into small flakes. These flakes are melted down and molded into new products. Anything from park benches to cozy fleece jackets. Yep, that's right. Your old soda bottle could become your new favorite hoodie. Metals turn. Metals like aluminum cans and steel are separated using magnets and eddy currents. They're then crushed and melted down. The molten metal is poured into molds to create new items. Aluminum, for instance, can be recycled over and over without losing quality. So that soda can you recycled last week? It could be back on the shelf in just a few months. Recycling doesn't just reduce the amount of waste going to landfills, it also conserves natural resources and saves energy. Making products from recycled materials often uses less energy than making them from scratch. For example, recycling aluminum saves up to 95% of the energy required to produce new aluminum from raw materials. That's a win for both the planet and your energy bill. But here's the kicker. Recycling only works if we do it right. That means rinsing out containers, keeping non-recyclables out of the bin, and supporting products made from recycled materials. Every little bit helps turn trash into treasure. So next time you toss something in the recycling bin, remember, you're not just getting rid of trash. You're starting a journey of transformation that helps the environment and creates new treasures from old ones. Thanks for joining me on this recycling adventure. If you're passionate about sustainability or just love learning cool stuff, hit that like button and subscribe for more curious content. Keep recycling and keep curious. See you next time.